Welcome back. COVID-19 has forced people to rely more on technology. For those who operate businesses in the information and communications technology (ICT) industry, the demand has been overwhelming. But as you'll hear in this week's edition of the Business Review, there are challenges. Andrew Laidley reports.
The global information and communications technology ICT industry was valued at $5 trillion last year. That's before the COVID-19 pandemic struck, driving up demand for technology specialists. But in Jamaica, information technology professionals complain that their work is still undervalued.
I don't think the local market has really caught up to, the true value of tech. We tend to find the true costs be downgraded from what we're used to.
Nicholas Key is the co-founder of a local tech company called Codeware. He's demanding that IT professionals be treated more fairly, especially now that their skills are in greater demand.
There's also a space where we are absolutely needed. Completely because of this entire lifestyle shift that we are now experiencing. It is important that we work together, that people generally invest in technology because it is here to stay, and that we double down on a lot of initiatives to not just teach people to get involved in technology, whether with respect to learning how to code, or learning how to use different software applications better, or just attempting to automate a lot of their services better. But also just having a vested interest in incorporating people in tech in various ways that you probably haven't seen before, and also paying people in tech as well, competitively.
Mr. Key works alongside 6 other professionals with skills ranging from artificial intelligence, augmented reality and cybersecurity to business analysis and software engineering. The IT specialist admits that while most of his projects are developed locally, there is a built-in adaptability which makes the product exportable.
We're certainly not locked off by geographic restraints or parameters rather. We, as any technology company actually, we're location agnostic. In fact, many of the products that we build are catered to specific demographics first, and then they have the capacity to scale with respect to specific geographic location or another target market or group.
He says for now, the company is focused on developing products with practicable usage with a view to grow its client base.
Right now, the objective is not necessarily to make a profit, but specifically geared towards finding product market fit. And what exactly that looks like is essentially zeroing in on the problem some more, attracting a lot of early adopters, and then using those early adopters to be ambassadors of some sort to more or less evangelize what we've built.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.